Hello everyone, we are group 11 and we are going to introduce our project. And this is our table of contents, and we separate our project into these parts and I will elaborate it later. And first is the motivation and ideation. The main point is that the traditional expense tracking apps are limited to personal data recording and lack of interactivity, so making it hard to maintain motivation. And our core concept is to combining the bookkeeping with social interaction. And our vision is integrating image recording to turn expense tracking into a visual memory log rather than just dry numbers. And these are our project objectives. And the first one is the personal expense management. We can manage our expense ourselves. And the next one is social interaction. You can look at your friends' uh, daily expense because you're with your friend. And the next one is our project's core, our cloud architecture, also related with this course. And the last one is the information security. We use the DynamoDB to secure our project. And this is our market survey and comparison. Yeah, you can look at it for a while. And this is our mind map. This is the functions of our project. Its name is 记好账. And then there's some personal configurations. First one is the privacy setting. We can choose what kind of expense we want to show to our friends, and only the friends can see your post. Next one is the social setting, and we can add our friend. If the friend is really close to you, you want to see their expenses, and you can read your friend's posts as well. And this is our backend. We can display our friends, and then we can accept the application of our friends because we don't want some strangers to look up to our posts. And then there are some things. And then next is the front end. We can choose to make the application, and then is our main idea of our project is the calendar. We use the calendar to make our tracking expense easier. And then the expense configuration, we can do our expense with these four data. And the first one is the classification, and next one is the time, when you spend your money, and then is the picture. You can choose to upload your picture. And the last one is of course, the money. And the data pane is the DynamoDB part. And these are the cloud technologies we used in our project. The first one is the Amazon API gateway. And yeah, it's the API. We can use it to connect the front end and the back end. The next one is the AWS Cognito. We use this one to simplify our login, and because AWS provide this service and it is very secure, so we use AWS Cognito to log into our website and to manage our account. The next one is the Amazon S3 bucket, and we use S3 to store our picture, because if you wanna do some expense, sometimes you need to upload your pictures, and we use Amazon S3 to store it, and also our website. And the last one is our core. The AWS Lambda is the heart of our project, and the DynamoDB is our data, where the data stored, like our own data of the expenses. And this is our system architecture. And this picture shows the data flow of the backend part. And this is our front end. And we use the API to fetch to interact with the front end. And then these are the pictures to store at S3 and also the website. And we also use the AWS CloudFront to make the website moves faster. And then this is the DynamoDB. We store lots of our data in here and use the AWS Lambda to do all the function with it. And the additional one is the AWS Cognito to do the authentication. And these are some projects outcomes. First is the user authentication module, and the next is the expense record management. Next one is the image upload and display, and the next one is the statistical analysis. Is the monthly analysis of our own expenses. And the last one is the social features that you can look at your friend's data or his or hers ledger. Okay, the core feature display. This is our user authentication module. We will, when you press the login, and we will redirect to the sign in of the AWS Cognito. And then this is our expense record. And the middle of it is the calendar I just told you. And it can elaborate all the expenses in one day and also shows the picture of it. And this is also the monthly analysis and this monthly summation of our expenses. And social features, we can add your friends. You can look at your friends' expenses, and we can also accept the request, because this is a very important function. We don't want strangers to look at our expenses. And next one is the friends dashboard. If you connect to your friends, and if you got some application of your friend's request, and then you can look at your validate to look at your friend's dashboard. And your friend's dashboards, you can see that your friend only want you to see, so it's very safe. And these are the technical challenges and solutions we encounter to do our project. The first one is the S3 upload security. We encounter a problem is that how to allow users to upload images to S3 without hard coding AWS secret keys in the front end, which would cause security vulnerabilities. And the next one is the CORS issues, which means cross-origin resource sharing. The problem is the front-end React app and back-end API gateway are on different domains, causing browsers to block API requests. And we really do a lot of efforts to resolve it, and really took us a lot of time. And the last one is the token management. How to securely store and manage authentication tokens in the front end after the auth 2.0 flow and verify identity with every request. Because if we want to see our friends dashboard, we need the key, we need the tokens, but the management of it is really difficult. And these are our solutions. The first one, we use the pre-signed URL mechanism. The backend Lambda generates a time-limited URL. The frontend uses this URL to upload files directly. This ensures credentials are not exposed and links expire automatically. And the core issues, we use the configured course headers at the API gateway level to define allowed origin domains and automatically handle browser pre-flight requests. And the last one is our solution of token management. We stored the token returned by Cognito in local storage and utilized AXIOS Axios interceptors to automatically attach the authorization. Okay, and next part is our demo time. We're going to show you our product. Okay, let's go back to the first. Okay, this is our overview of it, and this is having login. And we can log in first, and log in with AWS. We'll redirect to the website that we created. And now we're going to sign in. Okay, after we sign, we can look at our calendar. You can pick any date of it to add some expenses of that day. Like it is 23 now, and if we want to add some record of the 9th, December 9th, we can open it, and the date will automatically to use the part we clicked, and we can put something in it like breakfast. Oh shit. And 100. Okay, and eat, and we can upload our images. Where is it? Okay, this is our breakfast. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is our breakfast. And when we store it, it will comes to here and put the pictures in the place we clicked. And like 2 days before, it's the winter. It's really cold, and we really want to eat some snack. So eat some tangyuan. Okay, and upload the images also. 啊，OK OK 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 OK，汤圆，OK，and we the oh wait uh took some time. 啊，是啊，他有的那个跑不出来，没有，我等他下载完。是吧？本地的，叉叉应该是本地的吧？叉叉是本地的。OK OK， this is our 汤圆。Okay, okay, so we can see now the monthly expenses is minus 200. Okay, and also if you don't know, if you don't want to add the expense in a calendar, you can also press here and it will automatically put the date of today here. Also, if you get some money from your boss or from your parents or you win some money, you can also do the revenue part. Okay, and I'm going to show you the friends part. Yeah, and this is the dashboard, and I'm going to take you to the drawer. And the first one is the dashboard. If you click here, you will go back to the dashboard. And next is your friends. And there's no friend now. We can add friends later. And you can add your friends here by typing your friend's email. And then here is the friend request that my friend just sent me. Okay, I'm going to accept it. Okay. Okay, and we accept it, so we can see our friend here, Noah. So when I click Noah, I can see his expenses here, but he haven't upload. Oh, he upload a lot of things. Okay, that's really great. Okay, and we can see his expenses, and these are the expenses that he want to show us. So the other part, that the things he want to hide it, don't want other people to see it, we can see it. And also the last part, we can also go back to our dashboard and then delete the expense we don't wanna show it, and we wanna delete it forever. So we just click delete, and yes, then it will delete. And these are the all about our project, and hope you liked it, and thank you for everything. 哎，入镜一下吗？比个赞。Okay, thank you.